Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to show taskbar in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. To make taskbar visible in our Galaxy Z Fold 5, we have to go to settings. Then in display options we have taskbar option right here. So what is this taskbar doing? As you can see, here are our shortcuts. We can customize it a bit, but that's not the not in this video. So as you can see, we simply check this box and our taskbar is visible at the bottom of the screen, so we can have our shortcuts visible. So that's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.